Rates declined and credit availability fell to its lowest level in 10 years, with lending tightening up, but homes are selling and buyers are buying. It's Friday, May 19th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Maryland Market Minute. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what questions I can answer for you. If you caught my video report on April 21st about the FHFA changing the debt-to-income ratio fee for purchase loans, know that they have decided to rescind this fee hike amid a lot of pushback from the industry and consumers. This is delayed until August 1st, not canceled until reconsideration and review can be done. Homes coming soon fell to 1,190, while only 703 homes came to the market this week. 665 went under contract, a minimal decline over last week. 1,099 moved to pending, rising from last report. 1,342 sold at 100% list-to-sold ratio in just 7 days. The highest price home sold in the past week was a lot in Arnold for $3 million. Rentals available rose to 1,704 units at $2,200 per month, and leasing in just 17 days from hitting the market. That's a wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, May 19th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy the weekend, and I'll see you next week.